Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be showing you my portfolio. And the best part about my portfolio is not the design and not the projects that I've made. It's actually something that is going to help you. So I have my screen over here, so we are going to search It's Me Prince, and hopefully I'll have my website on the Google search. And I've actually bought the domain on Names Cheap, if you are wondering. So we are going to open my project, my portfolio. Okay. So we have opened it, and it's very simple. I've decided not to add a bunch of animations, and the best part about my project is the skills page, and you'll know why. Okay, so here we have the crystal ball which opens the menu, and first we'll go to the home page, and you can view my small introduction and all the stuff, the years of coding, project build, my current age, and you can click over here in this age thing, and you can also see the countdown to my next birthday. And here's my setup. You can actually see my current setup as of now, and you can also open the photos and see stuff over here. So there's that, and then we'll go over the skills page, and then we'll just see the what other page have in them. So in skill page, as anyone would wonder, we'll have all these skills that I have, all the development skills, the database, the AI tools I use, the DevOps, all this stuff you can see over here. What is best about this and how you are able to get benefit from it is, let's say we have this React over here. Okay, so we'll just click on the React.js, and now you will see my story with the React.js. Okay, and you'll also see the resources that I have personally used to learn React.js. Okay, and I've done this with literally almost every skills. Okay, because if you see on the top right corner, I have mentioned last updated. Okay, so this implies that I keep updating my resources, my skills, and all the resources that I have until then, I just upload all of them into this. So if you want to learn a JavaScript the way I did, you can just open this and just go over here, just watch this video. And I actually watched Super Simple Dev. You can just watch this video and you will know JavaScript, because that is what I did. So I actually did this because a lot of my friends keep asking me all the resources, like where have you learned this, where have you learned that, and it gets kind of very cluttery to maintain all the resources. So I thought, what is the best way to store this? And I thought, why not just store it in my skills thing? And yeah, this is why skills page is most beneficial to you. If you want to learn anything from my resources, or want to know what I have watched, or I've also mentioned some books over here, like this book. So I just try to mention everything as possible. Like for example, I have learned Flutter and Dart recently, so I have not gotten any time to update the resources, but you get the point. I'll update them in the future. Okay, and we have our experience page. You can see all my work experience. Nothing very special about this unless you are trying to hire me. And here are my best projects which I have highlighted over here, and we can just click over here and see the screenshot of the projects, the live links, the demo GitHub, YouTube link, the about, tech stack, dependencies, the use case. All this stuff you can find uh, in the projects page. And the blogs thing, I'm actually working on it, so you will able to read all my blogs over here. And on the home page as well, I'll just post you'll be able to see all the blogs over here. And yeah, that's it. And if you click over the resume button, it will prompt you to, just it will download the my resume. Okay, so here's my resume over here, if you're wondering. And my GitHub activity, it's all dynamic. Okay, so it gets updated by time, and all the services that I provide, and the support, if you ever want to support me, and the surprise page. Here I write all the personal code that I follow by in my life. So if you want to, just see some stuff, you can just, read it out and interpret in your own life's meaning. And the contact page, this actually works. So if you ever want to contact me about anything, you can just fill this form and just click on send button. And that is about it. So I wanted to make a video about my portfolio because it's been a while since I was working on this portfolio, and it is still under progress, because I have yet to build the blogs thing. And I was actually hoping to make the video after the blog thing, but I was like, nah, it's fine. So here it is. You can visit the portfolio yourself. Just go to www.itsmeprincekotak. And yes, it feels nice to say that. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye.